Hello, it's the Litre Total Parts Pro today for 2018 Holden Colorado, stock number 7075. It's ran from the 7th 2016 to the 12th 2020. It's an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel with tyre, aftermarket left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel with tyre, right rear 16-inch steel wheel with tyre, right front door no dents, right front aftermarket mirror, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front headlight, right front door code, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, either AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,